Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic burning and how the community have really shown a lot of support for Terra Classic coin. Now, last month, January 2023, Terra Classic community burned a total of 210 million coins of Terra Classic LUNC. Now, that number is really amazing because that number is actually in January. Because when I say January is for the fact that the most years, January is one of the difficult years for crypto industry because so many people spend a lot during festive period on December and the 1st of January. So you will see crypto industry experiencing a drop in terms of market caps because that is when you see people start cashing out, start withdrawing money from cryptocurrency, especially those that have actually spent all their money. Now, but this year we also crypto industry started increasing massively in January, just like Bitcoin started gaining all the way from $15,000 plus to almost $23,000 price for the first time since over 5 to 8 months ago. Now, but you also saw Terra Classic massively increasing price, hitting over $1 billion. And not just Terra Classic, I was shocked to see Shiba Doge also massively increasing in price. Now, the burning of Terra Classic in January, a total of 210 million coins by Terra Classic community, and I hope that this month, February 2023, Terra Classic needs to burn at least more than what they actually burned last of January. We are expecting between 300 million to 500 million coins to be destroyed by Terra Classic community. And if that happens, of course, it will really help Terra Classic. And I hope to see that this year communities will start burning over 1 billion coins of Terra Classic monthly. And I'm about to see the period when Terra Classic will be burning over 100 million or 500 or 1 billion coins in a single day. But of course, for that to happen, Terra Classic 1.2% really needs to start burning more. That is to say, the buying of Terra Classic needs to increase because when there's the buying or selling, Terra Classic will charge 1.2%, which will be burned. So I hope to see this year becomes one of the biggest year for Terra Classic. I hope the burning to increase. We want to see Terra Classic burning over 1 trillion or burning almost 5 trillion coins this year. But of course, 1 trillion is not bad, and I believe this coin can do that. Already we have over almost 1 trillion coins that have been staked. So I believe Terra Classic before 2025 is going to really hit a massive increase in price. It might be hitting towards 1 cent or $1, which is amazing for Terra Classic community. And let's keep hoping for the best to come this year. Let's keep hoping for Terra Classic to massively increase in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.